It's my friend's fault that I flashed her boyfriend. A few months ago, my friend Mandy bought me a bikini for my birthday. She smirked when she gave it to me, but I didn't know why until I wore it to the pool with another friend. As soon as I jumped into the water, my friend screamed. Turns out the bikini went see-through when it got wet. Well played, Mandy. A couple months later, Mandy invited me over to hang in the hot tub. I thought it'd be funny to wear the bikini again. I got changed and headed to the hot tub, but only her boyfriend was there. I figured this was a good way to get a bit of revenge. So I hopped into the tub and started making conversation with him while pretending not to notice him staring at the goods the whole time. When Mandy finally joined us, she obviously noticed but kept quiet, thinking I didn't know. Later, she apologized and said she thought I'd notice it went see-through. I laughed. I noticed, why do you think I wore it? At first she thought it was funny before realizing I'd spent the whole night flashing her boyfriend. She got mad at me, but I told her it's her own fault. If she didn't want me to wear it, she shouldn't have bought it for me.